Hi guys, there's another we have another bird up here. This is Rosie, the long billed Corella. That one is a pink and gray Galah. There we go, they're so flighty, that one. So look, there's another rock in here. This makes me wonder, what is the rock doing in there? Every morning, what's going on in here? There's always be a rock in here. So we'll have a look. I have to change the water every day. I don't know what happened to the rock here, but there's a rock in here. I don't know why. Quiet! I don't know what happened to the rock, but there's a rock. So I have to give them some fresh water every day because Rosie doesn't want to drink some old water. She's too really fussy. Yeah, there we go. I have to give them some seeds. They actually don't eat any fresh fruit and veggie. I don't know why. It used to be Pepsi, because when she was out inside house, but she's very dominant. She's keep attacking Danny, so we decided to put him outside here. Yes, outside. Now, same food what we get with them. Don't worry, the feed here is quite expensive, but we buy some bulk stuff in a pet shop. Bye bye. So this one here, let's feed him with that. There we go. This. Oh, there we go, Matt. That's them, and I'm gonna have to pet them for a bit, so they won't get so wild. So it's time for me to get inside now. Chicky, hello. That's my Rosie. They're actually friendly now. I keep feeding them every time. Only me, but hello. Come on. Oh, she's very friendly. She's very big. She's about 40 or 50 years old. See this one here? I got no more feather, and he is a big. Is a bit see this align something like that. Yeah. Come see mom. Kitik. Asa ka? And this is Pepsi. She's a male one. Okay, come see mom. She's scared of the camera. She can only see. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Come see mom. Goodness, that is Rosie. No, you can't do that. Why would you do that? Huh? She's very, very tame. But she doesn't like Samantha. Okay, go. Somebody mong gikaan? What did you eat today? Yesterday? Huh? That's my boy. That's my girl. It's a girl, actually. Okay. Alright. She's scared of the camera. She's scared that I'm not gonna hit him. That's Pepsi. They're actually a family of Corella. See? We're planning to get another more bird, but to look after them is a bit hard. So I'm the only one to look after them. That's the new cage we got in there. So we have to plan on getting a new one. And that's all for now, guys. Bye.